Welcome to the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia Max for UHF Channel 57 and Wazobia TV for Channel 98 for GoTV. And this is the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show as in the heart. Every Monday go reach Friday from 10 to 11 not on Christmas. Sake of say, all the topic where they come on smoke inside Nigeria political arrangement, we go drop them down, give you license to chook mouth inside, talk them the way anything be you for body, so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move this our country forward. My name na Ezogo Chokwode, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as they concern the political matter. As in the heart.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. That the first Wednesday inside the month of that is for the month of January, inside the year of 2016. Now we don't enter this studio, and as usual, we go do it. We go give every gist we concern politics for Nigeria, and also through do it at least we go relate so that at least once we don't open our phone line, now go also fit contribute for any matter we will drop down. We get one of Bunga guest, Chuku go do the normal introduction the way they do. My name for now never still change. My name now could be at this nas the hot.
We not go waste time. We go introduce our Ogbonge visitor. We go join us to chook mouth for inside this topic when they cause I go speak English ruckus inside the Nigeria political sphere. In a person when we say anything when get to do with Obodo Nigeria, in the very passionate about them and in the vocal, that is to say, in go they talk them the way where the team be. Some people don't describe them as the young Gani Fawehimi, sake of say anything when concern the people, now I mean they put for in mind. We they talk about no other than the social commentator himself, Comrade Murphy Abadoni. Comrade Murphy, welcome to AC the Hot.
Thank you very much.
Comrade,
good morning, our viewers.
Comrade, you get one tradition we get. I know say you don't they used to run. We go continue run for the new year. We dey shake the hands of our Ogbonge visitors there. Make it not be like saying a quarrel with the quarrel.
We'll
to ask questions. So welcome to AC the Hot.
Thank you,
and happy new year.
Comrade.
I greet you, my brother.
Comrade, make we no waste time. Make I just break down the topic we will carry come today. The topic we will carry come today get to do with the 2.1 billion naira arms money, the latest development. $2.1 billion arms money, and the latest development when they inside the matter. First and foremost, everybody remember say after our President Muhammadu Buhari enter inside office, he been talk say anybody when get to do with money when we say belong to all of us, but he can't divert them into his own personal pocket, the person go answer plenty questions. And we all recall say one of the issues when we say affect the administration of former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan get to do with the one when we say our soldier people, then when they fight insurgency for the northeast, they come out talk say they know they get weapon, they know they get what they need to use prosecute the war. But just come out say the former national security advisor saying talk say they buy all the things when they need and nobody gets any excuse. But after thorough investigation, when we say our Oga President set up committee to look into the matter, they come out and talk say $2.1 billion money when they're supposed to use go procure these arms, say the thing just develop long leg, wear koi shoe and mini skirt, rub lipstick, come carry waka come out for inside this our country. Now, Oga President go talk say all the people when they involved for this issue, they go get case to answer and nobody go escape this particular issue. The former National Security Advisor, Oga Sambo Dasuki, Colonel Sambo Dasuki retired, he get case to answer. Former Minister of State for Finance, he get case to answer. Former Governor of Sokoto State, he get case to answer. And some other people, they don't pinpoint them, say somehow they collect money when don't belong to them. But the latest development happened yesterday as the publicity secretary of the People's Democratic Party, Chief Olisa Metu, they talk say, some people talk say na arrest, EFCC arrest them. Other people talk say na friendly invitation, sake of say then trace money enter inside the account. For some reports, they talk say na about 400 million naira. And other reports, they talk say na 1.4 billion naira. Pending the investigation of the EFCC and waiting to come out of this one, we're going to discuss this matter, they go, because it affects us for inside Obodo Nigeria. So our Ogbonge visitor, we no go waste time. We could just go straight into this discussion. The former acting chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Dr. Haliru Bello, as they arraigned him for court, for Federal High Court for Abuja yesterday, him and his son and his company say they follow for money wey no belong to them, wey just disappear. We can't hear gist. Say 4 officials of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission inside unmarked vehicle, they carry waka enter inside the residence of the publicity secretary of the People's Democratic Party. The aide, Oga Aide Watok say no be arrest, they arrest am, say na friendly invitation. Just like every other Nigerian when they talk, so yeah, I can't answer questions. So, but some other people they talk say the way when the matter day say it be like say somehow, you don't enter inside the whole arrangement. What will be your whole general assessment of this matter?
My brother, anytime when the matter come at it, they make me shame. At the shame because sometimes it be like say this kind of people when they rule Nigeria. And we don't rule us before. People like say they know like say before they enter government, they first of all remove their conscience, keep somewhere. Because sometimes you go imagine say now human being go do this one to in country. First of all, you go ask again, if you carry this plenty money, what do you actually use them do? Why you go carry what you not need? If person get 1 billion, what do you want to do? You get cars, you get house, you get children, what do you want to do? Obviously, your children are supposed to go school, finish school, go find work. It's not supposed to be say you can't steal Nigeria money, keep for them, keep for their unborn children at the expense of the ordinary people. So the thing is very shameful, very, very shameful. And whoever that is involved, whoever in name come out for this matter now, without sentiment, make it just jejely go answer. Tell us how it be, how you know reach. Then EFCC and other security agencies on their part too, I beg them, when they say use their church mind, do this matter. Those ones when actually not they connected or when not they involved, at the end of the investigation, make them push them one corner. Those ones were actually dip their hand, collect what not belong to them, make them enter prison jejely. I think that's it's supposed to be.
Comrade, this way you take start this talk, it show for your body, say this 2016, you know 1 year say they should bear the mama fly. Say anything wey involve this our Obodo Nigeria, make them do am, make the thing clear and make everybody hear am. We don't go waste time, make we come, as you don't give your general assessment, we'll come begin to take these things one by one, they break am down, make we understand. Number one, now, this particular issue of, say, some people take money when no belong to them, even though they know, say, this money like this, they're supposed to use for. Other people collect money when we say they don't know where the money they come from, but they collect money for collecting the money sake. Now, make I ask this simple question now. With waiting Oga President talk for the presidential media chat, when he talk, say, people when do this particular issue, now like this the thing will be. People when do this particular way, now like this the thing will be. And some people already come and talk, say, the way when they talk like, say, na him be the person when do the, they talk like, say, na him go prosecute them, na him be the judge and everything. What do you reason of this particular issue too?
You see, it just be like person when fire day house, you can't leave them, go they pursue rats. When they talk about money when supposed to belong to everybody, both me and you, say somebody thief am. That one's supposed to be the first thing when go they worry our mind. Not be waiting any other person, whether presido not using the word well, whether I not talk as I tell when he's supposed to talk, we're supposed to look at. What do they look at now? Why this money miss? Why go be say amongst all people? Why be say that these people, this person, can't be involved for the matter? Make we focus, make we know why, because they put us for poverty, they put us for suffering. I dare where say so many of our soldiers. In fact, imagine even the money when they involve. So now money when they're supposed to take buy arms
exactly.
for our soldiers to fight insurgents. Arms will not buy. I remember at the time to the same, these people won't even punish some soldiers. Yes. Over say they fight, they not fight. How you won't make man go fight if you not give them the tools to fight? So if at the end of the day, the matter go even go beyond all these EFCC, after we don't they should identify legally, then they should also apologize to Nigeria and apologize to those military guys. Well, those ones when even don't die have to apologize to their family. Those ones when they are, you must apologize to them because some don't die, some do hospitals right now, when man survive one form of injury or the other. Then we as Nigerians, because now our money now. Now our money now we Boko Haram they fight, and the money we will give is okay, buy arms, make we take fight them, you chop them. It's very annoying.
Yes, Oga Murphy, I know how you dey feel right now. If you go look this matter now, make we bring am from this angle, just as Chukwudi be earlier chipping. You go see say this matter now, as we dey see am, normally now this is supposed to be money wey we say it's supposed to play around insecurity matter to take fund insecurity so that we fit fight these Jaguda people. Okay, e just be like say the money wey government have put out say okay, we will take fight insurgency. E can't spread tentacles, can't they go inside? That is areas where we say it don't even relate to government at all. From the look of things, we like say we never see, we see they see, now part 2 of the film we don't they see. We go see, from the way the things they go, it don't they spread more tentacles, we go still see different hands, monkey and where they go, where they coming from different angles. Okay, you be talk something, say, okay, make all these people, make we say, make them, make we see, make them say them go prison, anybody they find guilty. Shay, you think say, from the whole look of things, you think say, since we never even see the action film end, I think say we go fit take, at least assess this thing, so that in the end, this prison where we talk say, we want make this people at least enter, we go fit at least see the result of it, make them go, make them they punish for what they do. Because now, for it is one thing to say, we'll handle case, it is another thing to say, okay, serve the punishment of what you do.
Yes, you see, that thing where you talk self, they give me concern. Sometimes when I think of another feel sleep, because one, the democracy where they practice, it fat well. It too wide. So it get as it they be. Sometimes it go make you not feel do some things when you feel say we're supposed to. And for instance, this matter of arms deal and how money take waka. You know, see if they live for me and you as well, we go take an answer, okay. Make them go jail immediately. But because we they live for a democratic country and we get procedures when things must follow. So I go only appeal to both the security agencies like EFCC and also both those ones in the judiciary. Because now there too the matter go still go end up. So I go appeal to all of them. May them help Nigeria. May they not see them now as if they do them for individual or for make it not be safe for waiting they go fit chop. Get from them. But make they do it for Nigeria.
In the same way, we don't get appeal since so.
Yes.
We don't get case, pending case over time. Okay, we also can load the kind of drama where some of these people they put up, so that they will not go fit come court case. A typical example, I know, okay, Oga Bello, I don't know whether it is sick through it's down for wheelchair. But it's down for wheelchair, they can't say, okay, because I say it's down for wheelchair, make you go hospital, but make you do under severe investigation. These are the kind of matters where they normally drag our case, court case. You understand? This person will come up with this excuse. But I still don't know. Beyond this, beyond say, okay, would they see case where we say, would they find excuse to? Beyond this, what it is our president or the judiciary feed do? Because we don't hear over time say, make that try. But there is something that needs to be done, an extra thing that needs to be done. So this thing, make we take our OIC say yes, would they see results? Rather than to just they talk, they beg for waiting we know say, now our right to ask for.
It still boils down to the fact say, those ones for judiciary, because unlike like in the military years, once they don't say you do them, you go enter jail first.
Straight up.
Now from there you go talk say I not do. But in a democratic setting, you not go feed one like that. You must follow certain procedures. So and still beg, we go beg. And if possible, make we amend our laws. Which will not even happen overnight.
Okay.
Now make me see they say we will still appeal to those ones within those jurisdictions. Because you're not going to amend our laws overnight.
No, they possibly. Yes.
And unfortunately, the law say the man not they guilty until he's proven guilty. So some of that claims you are guilty until proven otherwise. But unfortunately for us, I want to say you are not guilty until proven guilty. And EFCC too, make them try wake up. Make them get the best of lawyers. Make them still try because sometimes we they easily the year of arrest. Sometimes you go even they tire. Back, they don't arrest this man, go they don't arrest this one.
Arrest the street to arrest now. But after arrest, we could see.
Make it not go turn to arrest today, bail tomorrow thing. Make them try. Whether they file their case very well. You know, say you go see sometimes EFCC go reach court, they will be helpless because their case they're not really
They no
Represent
conduct
am
thorough
well.
investigation.
They not package their case well. Meanwhile, these other persons
Who carry
they
lawyers
don't go
now.
for the best of lawyers.
The best of lawyers, wey be say they don't do their own investigation.
Pay them well. Because they have to get money where they steal now. So you go first get the best of lawyers, pay them well. So they will know how to come present their case. For so EFCC need to wake up, make government, if not funding, because we will not forget that area too, if not funding, the EFCC go need. Because in fact, the case when the EFCC hand now, I even the pity the EFCC itself. Because imagine how many cases when we don't generate under 2-3 months.
Just as it take concern just $2.1 billion.
Make I give you example. For UK, British government spend millions of pounds to investigate James Ibori. Millions of pounds.
To investigate.
We no be their citizen. And gather all the information. So by the time they come out with their information, once you just hear, you go just come on.
Nowhere to hide.
What did Ibori do at the end of the day? He say, I do. He just say, he pleaded guilty now. Because he look here, he look at land, say, oh boy, no way. Just tell them, say, you do it. So make we try, that will feel reach that extent. When, by the time EFCC get to court with evidences and whoever is involved with us,
no escape route.
please, just, I do, I'm not give me your time. Make we pray, make that we will get to that stage. Make government try fund these organizations. If they have to recruit more personnel too, good. Recruit more of
young
legal personnel. Good. Because you not be where you go just send somebody to jail.
But he said something about funding. Now everything. Now basically now what they crave for. Now waiting Nigerians go want make government do it. In somehow fund. But then the same government who they go meet to class may not fund. You just like say all the same people will be victim of say okay then somehow they steal money. Were once members of government. How it is say it would be possible for government to be able to at least balance that equation so that at least if we don't do our own part, somehow somebody from our offices carry money, the people suppose the anti-corrupt system go fit balance up with us. Okay, make we fight out with everything we get. But in the case where they don't get the necessities, the funds, maybe as restricted by 1 or 2 reasons from the, you understand? It is say the fight against corruption will work.
You see, all these things what they talk about. First of all, they take the willpower. Once you determined to do a thing, you go do them. All this money where they chop here and there, what would they hear? Enough far from the fact, say, somebody at the center not to take in job seriously. You get? Make I cite an example. You, una too, even myself, if you get money now and say you want build house, if you want buy land, you go know where to go buy the land. You go know how to investigate your money, may you not buy wrong land.
Obviously, yes.
After you buy land, you go know which bricklayer you go give. You go know which plumber you go give. You go know the building contractor where you go give your house, and so you go to monitor them.
Yes.
And your house go complete, right?
Of course.
So why you be say if you now come to government projects, you can't be abandoned projects. But the same these individuals, all these people there that never be ministers, governors, and all the rest. They get personal estates when they start complete.
What we go do now be say, when we don't talk this talk, stop, reach. We go just hold them there, enter inside small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion. Take them to another level as they get to do with the latest development when they inside the $2.1 billion arms money. No go anywhere, now still as in the month.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.